Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and today I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I want to hop back on camera today to show you some strategies that I use for Textbot.ai, which is an SMS marketing platform. And I use two different types of SMS marketing platforms. It's SMS phone leads and I use Textbot. But today we're going to be talking about Textbot.ai. And Textbot.ai has a virtual assistant by the name of AVA, which is your automatic virtual assistant to help guide, to bring your leads, and to promote your affiliate offers to those leads once they either call or text your phone number. And the AVA robot talks on your behalf. So that's what makes this site so brilliant to use. You can use this for your daily routine and your operations on how you get traffic to your affiliate businesses. And, affiliate offers, is very helpful when you're using this, besides email marketing, which if you think about it, email marketing is 15 to 20% on a good day as an open rate versus when you have SMS marketing, which is a 98% open rate. So more people is on their cell phones. Everyone has a mobile device by now in this day and era. And when you send a text message, people will look at that text message within the first 30 to 90 minutes. Well, not even minutes, seconds. So think about how well your offers will perform in the eyeball. So that that would be a lot of opt-ins. So especially if you follow up these leads that comes through. So I'm gonna show you an example of what I have in the back office of Textbot.ai. And you can use these. They have resources that you can use to promote it on social media. And I'm just showing you how you can get daily leads to your business. Now look. They have solo ad swipes. You can check out this. You can copy and paste this. And you can use this if you want to send out like a blast text message. They also have a social media post. You can use this on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And, here go to Instagram. They have different posts you can use on your Instagram. And I believe it hooks up, to your account if you got everything set up correctly. But I'm going to go back. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Now, this is the chat area. This is where you're going to be at the most. All right. This shows you where all your leads are coming through at once you click here. Okay. I'm going to have to log back in. Every now and then, if you don't, log for a certain amount of time or be active on the page, you pretty much have to log back in. So I'm going to log back in here. And I'm going to give it some time once it loads. Okay, as you can see, now I'm on my leads area. These are the leads that had came in within the last month. And I could choose, I could set statuses up for these leads so I know I could just keep a tally, agenda on what I can do with these leads, okay? Also, when you click on the basic, now this is all with the basic package level, okay? Because there's two different package levels you can choose from, and that's the AVA Basic, and then you got the AVA Plus, okay? And then with the AVA Basic, you can do your, your regular chats, and you could talk with, you could allow AVA to talk on your behalf, or you could also customize your own. And see, I got somebody within an hour. If you could see somebody came in. They said they message not received. Okay. So I can always go back and I can text this person, okay, if I choose to. And these are the leads that come in. See, you can switch between Ava and you. You can go to you or you can go to Ava. Ava could carry on the message. Now, Ava is going to tell them everything they need to do. Usually she'll go through step by step, like, they have to give them their name, and everything like that. They got to give out their email address so they can be able to receive emails, and she do all the selling and telling for you. So that's what makes this system very powerful. Okay, so you got that. You also you can set your settings, and the beauty of this is like every 24 hours, if the lead didn't respond to you since the last message they sent them, this will be your automatic message, and you can have any opportunity send. This is an automatic message within 24 hours of opt-in that AVA will follow up. So if you think about that, AVA will follow up for you within a day from the lead responding. So that's very useful as well. And this is what, this is the primary business she's going to put in on the conversation. Okay, you can put, customized presentation links if you, choose to do so, and etc. Okay. Also, you got custom keywords. And these custom keywords you can use to activate. So if a lead type in a certain word, you can have it, it'll activate that word, it'll trigger that word, and whatever word that you have, when they text that, you can have a message. You can have an automatic message pop up. So let's say if I tell them, if they text cash, and when they text that cash, that word, it will put anything that I want to go out to them. So that's very true. They have a tutorial in a training area that teach you, what those keywords is. Okay. So then you have your resellers. This shows you all the links. They have a Facebook group that you can join if you have any questions on the opportunity. It shows your pending payments, your commission history. It shows your team. You can see your downline, and you can also see, who's on the leaderboard. Now, when you get AVA Plus, I gotta, activate AVA Plus back. I'm already a member of AVA Plus. I just have to activate it back. But when you get AVA Plus, that's when you get to have broadcast emails. You can see, you can have broadcast messages that can be sent out to all your leads, and they got more information. Plus, you can earn a more bigger commission. Now, of course, with the AVA Basic, it's a one-time $150 to join, and I believe if you get the AVA Basic, if you get the AVA Plus within 24 hours of purchasing the basic package, it'll be $500. And if you miss out on that, it is a $250 extra that you have to pay. So if you think that this is useful, you can buy the AVA Plus. It's optional. You don't have to purchase the AVA Plus, but if you want more features, and you can create your own text robots as well with the AVA, because you can have multiple numbers on different opportunities. So this could be an automated system just running on autopilot. Okay. So you want to also make sure you check out the training. Now, what I'm going to show you guys, you could use Facebook groups, and with Facebook groups, you can use those text messages. You see those posters that I had showed you earlier? You could post these in different Facebook groups. And these are all the Facebook groups that I'm a part of. You want to be able to give out the message on different ways. And also Craigslist marketing. I got videos about that talks about Craigslist marketing that you could check out. I'm going to have that link in the description, on how to use Craigslist and how to, get, the best, get more and more leads using, free marketing and things of that nature. So that's going to be able to be helpful. And it's a number of ways that you can use SMS marketing. You don't have to necessarily use the phone number per se, but you can also use the link. So this is the phone number that you're going to use. And when you get involved with Textbot.ai, you're going to be able to be assigned to your own personal number. Now, this number is not going to be your actual phone number, but this number is on the behalf of Textbot.ai, okay? So let's go here to, okay, wait. So you can see this is my message. This is my text phone number for AVA. This is my AVA phone number. This is the original. This is the main line. And these are all my links. I could use these links to promote on different social media. Now, like every SMS system, you have to purchase text credits in order to send and receive text messages. So what you want to do, you want to head over to purchase additional credits. You can also get double credits for subscription, so you might have to pay like a monthly package. I think they range from 25. Let me check so I can make sure. Okay, you have a subscription package. Okay, you got one that's 10. You know, the tire kicker is $10 a month. You have the builder, that's $25 a month. You have the $50 a month, and you can see how much credits that you get per month using this platform. So, you know, if you feel like you want to go for the the top and be able to get more for your money, you want to head over to the boss package where you get 2 phone numbers added. You get 10,000 usage points, and you get unlimited messaging. And you can see all this. They have a good support system in case if you need some customer support. Make sure you check that out. Okay, but as you want to use this. Now, this is very, very brilliant to use in Craigslist, because on Craigslist you don't want to get your account banned if you send different affiliate links, because Craigslist have a policy usually if you promote affiliate links on your ad posters. So you want to make sure this will be good to use. You can have the leads that come across your ad, they can call or text this number. So that's very useful to have, and you can check that out. So Textbot.ai is an automatic system that you can use for SMS marketing. You can get those increased opt-in rates to come through. Okay, so if you think that this video done some good to you, make sure you leave your comments in the comment section. Also, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, tips and tricks and strategies that I use on my daily marketing routine. Also, if you, like I said before, if you want to see the Craigslist video on how I get leads and silence with Craigslist, make sure you check up that video, and that also will be in the link in the description below. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. This is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.